Hi guys, I'm Svetlana from Zinogre Cosplay and welcome to another Monster Hunter costume making of armor tutorial thing. Last time I showed you how I finished my Zinogre Monster Hunter armor costume. And today I'm going to show you how I attach everything to my naked body. Spoilers, it's a lot of Velcro. So and now let's start wait, I forgot something. Yeah! Let's buy my books. Okay, and now let's start the video. First, I put on a little top, some black short pants and dancing tights as a base. A few of the wires for my LEDs were already hidden inside the fabric. Next, I slipped into the shoes. 1 and 2. Now I put on the shin armor. As you can see, it's glued onto a piece of fabric that I can close with Velcro at the back. The armor on my thighs worked pretty much the same way. I also made a belt to go around my hips. These straps prevented my leg armor from sliding down. Now it was time for the knee armor. I first needed to connect the plugs. Then I attached it to a strap on the upper leg armor and secured it with a cord around my knee. The other piece also worked the same way. Okay, next the hip plates. They were all just Velcro that I could attach to my belt. The wires went from my back plate through my pants to the thigh armor. And afterwards, I attached the rest of this weird skirt. Quick and easy. Okay, a few elements actually had to be laced, but the rest was Velcro. The lower part looked good already. Plus, I had maximum movement, so comfy. Next, I slipped in my breastplate. I only had to close it at the sides. My elbow guards, however, were held in place with simple snap buttons that I sewed on before. Just slid them over and pressed them on. Snappy! Time for my lovely wig. Bad now. The mask was attached around my head with, guess what? Velcro! Following that, I mounted the pauldron. I kept it in place with an extra snap button as well. The right shoulder armor actually hid my battery and circuit inside. They were super professionally attached with magnets. I connected all the wires to my microchip and snatched on this piece as well. The armored scarf thing was finally attached with more Velcro to my shoulder belt. Perfect movement. My boobies were also well protected. Afterwards, I put my gloves on, slid into the bracer, and mounted the actual bracer on top with even more Velcro. Now the other glove. Everything worked the same way. Notice, however, that I connected these wires first. All attached. Whee! This costume turned out super comfortable and lightweight. Getting in and out was really quick and easy too. The material for this costume cost me around $100. The LEDs, however, cost an additional $200 on top, but you don't really need these. I just really like them. So, as you can see, making foam armor doesn't need to be expensive. I hope this little video inspired you to work on EVA foam armor as well. My next project, by the way, is the Gigante armor from Monster Hunter World. Let me know in the comments if you still have any questions or check out my new EVA foam armor book. And please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. So, see you next time. Bye bye! Fein! Anderes Pfötchen? Fein!